What's good? What's good? And welcome back to Invest and Trade with Josh. We're gonna go over Cardano. Beautiful pump yesterday. I took the day off, so I wasn't able to get in on the trade. I was a little bit disappointed, but I decided to not look at my charts so much and just kind of enjoy a day away from crypto, which is very difficult, as I'm sure many of you know. So we're sitting at 283. We're up about almost 4% on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 90.92 billion. 24-hour volume is 7.5 billion. Guys, if you're new to crypto.com, make sure to sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app and grab one of their incredible Visa cards for free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, and travel incentives. So let's start here on the 1 hour time frame. You can see we're starting to see some sell off. So I talked about that in my Polygon video. So we had our bullish divergence here. You can see the price was falling. The RSI was rising. So I said, keep an eye out for a relief bounce. And that's exactly what we saw, but we saw an absolutely massive bounce. Now, there were a couple of strong indicators to enter your trade here. So we had the bullish divergence, and then we had this pattern here. It's called a rounding bottom. And right here, you can see we broke out and it was backed up by some major volume. So that's a great entry point to enter a trade. If you've been watching my channel for a while, hopefully you've picked up on these tips and tricks and you got in on a juicy profit of basically 9%. And if you went all the way up to the high here, is about a 12% trade. It could be much more if you're trading with leverage. If you'd like to learn to trade with leverage, check out my full link tutorial. Make sure to sign up for up to $1,600 in bonuses. My favorite platform for leverage trading here. So we came up and we hit resistance basically on our previous swing high. And now we're starting to see a little bit of sell off. We're seeing quite a significant red candle here, but we came up all the way to about 294. ADA is just an absolute beast here. So we're going to pop over into let's pop into the 4 hour time frame. Wow. Okay, guys, we're here on the 4 hour time frame. So we came up and we bounced off the 55 EMA once again. ADA is just an absolute beast, as I've been saying here. As you can see previously, that's where we found support right along the 55. We came up, we found support, we came down, we found support on the 55 once again. Beautiful strength we're seeing here from ADA. We've come up and we've tested our high. We are seeing a little bit of sell-off now. So the pattern we need to watch out for is a double top. You can see we're starting to see a little bit of red candles here. We may find support along the 20 EMA, but if you were to see some further sell-off, do keep an eye on this level of support. We may just come back to back test it at about $2.49. But if we're going to go through the larger correction that we've been anticipating in the market, could come in September, as September tends to be a month where we sell off, then I would keep an eye on this double top. If you see us come down and break this neckline, could bring ADA back down to the 0.786 here, which is at about $2.01. So do keep an eye on that pattern here. So let's pop over to ADA on the daily chart. All right, guys, so we're here on the daily and we never even came back down to the 20 EMA here. I'm going to take this out. So if we were to come back down to retest 249 as support, we'd be finding support here along the 20 EMA on the daily. So keep an eye on that as well. If we do see that continuation, guys, your next price target, we are in price discovery for ADA, is up at the 1.272, which is at about $3.30. And then you have the 1.414 here, up at about 379. There is something I want to show you guys here, which I was showing everyone in my Polygon video, and that's the fact that, okay, I don't care about the guide here. BTC versus USDT, this is Bitfinex margin total long and short positions. The short positions in the last 24 hours for Bitcoin have increased almost 600%. Now, we're still seeing quite a larger number of long positions overall, but the fact that we've seen a large increase in short positions can signify that we're going to see a little bit of sell-off. We're still underneath 50% of long positions in the altcoins for the whale positions. If we look here at ADA, it's currently sitting at 45% of Binance, ADA, USDT, margin prep, top traders positions are long. All right, guys, and on this exchange as well, Huobi, hopefully I'm saying that right. If we come down to ADA, we're sitting at about 47%. So do keep an eye on these altcoins. Head over to viewbase.com and click whale positions, and you can see here that all the altcoins are currently under 50% for long positions. So that's something to watch. Some good analytics here that was actually shown to me by one of our members of the Discord. Guys, if you want to join the Discord, we have over 1,000 members. We're posting chart patterns. We have rooms for all our popular coins. We also have open chat, juicy crypto chat. So if you guys want to join a crypto community to talk all things crypto, it's the price of a coffee. Great way to stay ahead of the game. So let's pop back into ADA. So let's go over our bullish scenario here. I'm going to take my Fibonacci here from our swing high down to our swing low. So if we're going to see continuation and we break this high, do target the 1.272 extension, which is up at about $3.11. And then you have the 1.618, which is up at about 332. And then your levels of support here, if we do see some sell-off, which we're starting to see a little bit right now, we have about 271. I'm also going to drop in this level here, which is the golden ratio, 277 here, 261. There's some support in this area. We also have about 259 where these wicks came down to, previous swing high. And then we have this previous swing low right here, which is at about 247. And we have this structural support here at about 238. We are seeing a little bit of sell-off here. So keep an eye on 277 for now. The golden ratio would be crucial to hold that level of support. And it would also find support along the 4-hour 20 EMA. So just a little update for ADA. I do think a large correction will come in the overall market. So just keep that in mind as a trader. All right, guys, sign up to Bybit. Make sure to follow me on social. Smash that like button, goes a long way. I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.